In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Webull account. First of all, launch open Webull application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Webull application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete your account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to see your account. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account and security interface. You'll be able to find various options related to account and security. Simply scroll down. At bottom, at last, you'll be able to find the option for delete account. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see notice regarding subscription fee over here. If you want to avoid the unwanted charges, what you have to do is visit the App Store or Google Play or PayPal in order to confirm that your subscriptions for market codes have been cancelled. Now tap on this option, continue to delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the warning over here. All your data will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered anymore. Simply check on this box, authorize Webull to delete my account. Now tap on the delete option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your login password for account security. Now after you enter the login password, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has been deleted. So that is how you delete Webull account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.